Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to clip mask in Illustrator and explain how to place images or designs cleanly inside shapes or text. Step 1. Select all the shapes or text you want to use as the mask and group them using Command G on Mac or Ctrl G on Windows. This step is important because grouping keeps everything together and prepares it to work as a single masking shape. Step 2. Go to the top menu, click Object, then choose Compound Path and select Make. This converts your grouped shapes into one compound path, which Illustrator needs in order to use multiple paths as a clipping mask. Step 3. Make sure your compound path is placed above the image or artwork you want to mask. Then select both the compound path and the image together so Illustrator knows what to clip and what to hide. Step 4. Go back to Object, choose Clipping Mask, and click Make. If a warning appears about complex paths, simply click Yes, and Illustrator will create the clipping mask correctly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful Illustrator tutorials.